Today, we're diving into a riveting topic that's buzzing in the economic world: Zimbabwe's new gold-backed currency, the Zimbabwe Gold, or ZiG. Just recently, Zimbabwe took a bold step by introducing ZiG, a currency backed by none other than gold. Now, why is this significant? Well, for starters, gold is universally valued and known as a safe haven asset, especially in tumultuous times. By pegging their currency to gold, Zimbabwe aims to stabilize its economy, which has faced hyperinflation and currency instability for years. In its first week, ZiG gained an impressive 1.1% against the US dollar. This is particularly noteworthy given the ongoing tensions in the Middle East, which have investors scrambling for secure assets. But here's the kicker: the government isn't just stopping there. Finance Minister Mthuli Cube has laid out plans to further integrate ZiG into the economy. By next year, a significant 60-40 ratio of US dollar to ZiG transactions is expected, and the year after, an even split at 50-50. The strategy here is clear: boost confidence and reliance on the local currency by making it indispensable for daily transactions. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While this sounds promising, it's not without its skeptics. Critics argue that simply introducing a new currency, even if it's gold-backed, may not be enough to resolve the deep-rooted economic challenges Zimbabwe faces. The International Monetary Fund, or IMF, has voiced its concerns, suggesting that Zimbabwe should instead focus on more conventional economic reforms. They stress the importance of a tight monetary policy and liberalizing the foreign currency market. Essentially, the IMF is cautioning that the potential risks and costs associated with this new digital currency could outweigh its benefits. And let's not forget about accessibility. Gold coins were introduced by the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe as a means to reduce demand for US dollars. However, these coins come with a hefty price tag, raising questions about their affordability for the average Zimbabwean. So what do we make of all this? Is ZiG truly a game-changer or just a well-intentioned experiment? It's a complex issue. On one hand, backing a currency with gold could indeed provide more stability and restore faith in the local currency. On the other, the success of ZiG will depend heavily on its implementation and the broader economic policies adopted by the government. As of now, the world is watching. Will ZiG turn into a model for other countries, or will it be a cautionary tale? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure: the outcome will have significant implications not just for Zimbabwe, but potentially for global economic practices. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on Zim News Live YTS.